Sometimes I scare myself, tweaking off that 2CB, huh? Is he gonna
What
make it?
is up, guys? It's your boy Ramsey today, back with another video, and I am super excited for this one. But before we get into what's in store, you guys probably saw from the shop montage thing that I did a little bit earlier, a few seconds ago. But I just wanted to thank you guys for all the views, likes, and just all the love you've been showing on my previous video. I'll leave the link in the description of that if you have not seen that. I think we're at like 1.7k views, which is really crazy. Man, I think that was like just crazy. And the subscriber count has been going up. We need one more till we're at 30. So I remember like a year ago, Joey and I were like, you know, it would be awesome if we got 10. And we were like, no, we have 30. So yeah. Anyway, we are super excited for that. But I have something in store for us. You know I had to. We got Yeezy Boost. Thanks to my dad, he got this for me. Thank you, Dad. You're probably watching this. And actually, I just wanted to say a shout out to my dad. He is always just working. He always watches. He's always supporting videos, trying to tell me what I can do better and what I'm already doing good. So, love you, Dad. Anyway, and I got these 2 days before his birthday. I've had these for like 6 days now, so like you're not gonna get my first reaction, but unfortunately, but yeah, that's the case with it. And I'm gonna stop ranting now, and let's just get into the sneakers. So if you're a sneakerhead, I'm pretty sure you know this box. I'm just pretty sure you know the box, just because it's a very like iconic box from now, and it's a Yeezy 350 Boost box if you did not know. So these pair of shoes is a Yeezy 350 Boost triple white, and man, let's just get into it. All right, so these are like so hard to open. All right, so it slides open like that, and I'll try and get the camera. And the Yeezy has been unearthed. Let it go. Yeezy 350 Boost in the house. Super excited for this one. Let me just move the camera. Yeah, super excited for this pickup, man. So fire. Let's just get into it. I'm not going to use this one because this one has like a tag and that's not good for beauty shots. Jesus. Alright. And I'll get the box out of the way. Alright. This is the Yeezy 350 Boost Cream. You can up the triple white cream. But let's just go over a few key points that make this shoe kind of classic. I actually never knew this. As many times that I've looked at Yeezys at a computer screen, I never knew that they had these 3 stripes down there. I never knew that, but yeah. Feeling it, it's super cushy. Yeah, but let's just go over a few things. So the midsole right here is actually translucent. You can't really see it on the camera, but if you turn, you can see it right there, like really big. But yeah, it's translucent, and if you can see, it kind of like a gradient, like an ombre, kind of like going from like darker cream to like down to like regular, which I thought looked pretty cool. We have, I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can kind of see. It's a hidden SPLV 350 there. I don't know if it's V or Y. Yeah, where's me? It's like a split stitch right there. And there's a back tab, and then I'll take this out. Oh, look at the bottoms. Obviously, it is the boost. That's what makes the Yeezy 350 Boost. But right there, you can push it. Boost, man. Boost on the shoe. It's the third Boost shoe to add to the collection. Super excited. I love the Boost. Yeah, and actually a lot of you guys wanted me to do an on-foot thing of the Gore-Tex NMDs. But I'm not gonna do it in this video, but I'll do one of these because I know that you guys will probably want me to at least do that. The laces on this, just normal laces. Yeah, these are factory laces. If you're wondering what size these are size 7. I don't know if you can still get these on Yeezy Supply. You might. There might be a few sizes still up, but I don't think so. But yeah, now that we're kind of done with the overall thing of the shoe, let's get into the on-feet section. Shkara! Alright, so I'm just in my room right now, so it might look a little bit strange. But this is what the shoe looks like on feet. I'll do a little 360 here. Just like a really clean white shoe, I think. And I think it's just a really nice looking shoe. And I think that it's going to go hard in some fits. Unfortunately, I got it unfortunately I got it in like the beginning of winter. Well, not winter, autumn. But like for Seattle, it feels like the beginning of winter because it just rains all day. Anyway, but yeah, I really hope you enjoyed that little on-feet section. If you want me to keep doing that, let me know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. If you do, then I love you. If not, join the Sneaker fam. But that's pretty much it. See you later. Out. Peace.